Hello. For this video, we'll talk about hospital vocabulary. Doctor, nurse, surgeon, paramedic, receptionist, pharmacist, radiologist, pediatrician, cardiologist, emergency room, ER, intensive care unit, ICU, operating room, OR, maternity ward, pharmacy, radiology department, laboratory, outpatient clinic, recovery room, waiting area, stethoscope, thermometer, syringe, IV, blood pressure monitor, oxygen mask, scapular, defibrillator, X-ray machine, wheelchair, checkup, blood test, X-ray, MRI, ultrasound, vaccination, surgery, physiotherapy, dialysis, biopsy, fever, cold, flu, allergy, headache, nausea, cough, fracture, infection, diabetes, patient, visitor, caretaker, donor. Thank you and see you in the next video. Please subscribe and follow.